Fridge Monster.
Sorry. Hello. See? I used to be completely full of food, but now I'm just... I'm not full anymore.
There, all full again.
Thanks, but is my nose lit up?
No.
Then I'm not completely full. My nose lights up when I'm completely full.
How do we make Abominable Fridge Monster full?
Did you see word monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word, full. Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2, 3, full!
Look, it worked! A monster math monitor.
An empty closet. Nothing in it. Such a lonely place. Here come little monsters, filling up the space. Now the closet is all full. Be careful not to fall. Whoops! Now the closet's empty again. Nothing in it at all. Little monsters climb back in. The closet's full once more. Another monster. No more room. Better shut the door.
Thanks, Math Monitor. Now we know all about full and empty. Full is when there's lots of things inside, and empty is when there's nothing inside.
And since full and empty are math words, let's
do monster math!